unicorn pie with organic dye. Enjoy, kids. Check this recipe out. We're gonna go ahead and get this shredded mozzarella that we dyed, of course, like I said, with ingredients all organic. So we're gonna go trying to give you the easiest, simplest, most delicious recipe that your kids will have while being healthy. We got a little bit of shredded cheddar here. We got the ham. You can use any other meat you want, including turkey, which is a little bit leaner, but in this case, we're going with the ham because that's what the kids love. And of course, for that good healthiness, we have this delicious green broccoli. And now we're gonna come through and put a little bit of flour on our table so that it slides and it doesn't stick. So we're gonna flip it over just like that. And just as 1, 2, 3, we're gonna start to shape our unicorn. Now we're gonna start like this. We're gonna go ahead and bend it in a little bit thicker towards the bottom, guys, because that is gonna be the neck. Spread it out as much as you need and come through with the second part, which is gonna be the magical hair. Now we're gonna go ahead and use all of this dough. So the rest of that piece that we don't exactly need for the roll, we're gonna go ahead and slice it up just like this into bands, and we're gonna use it for later. So now we're gonna bring this over here on the flour so it slides easily just like this. Close your ends in and roll it up. We're gonna put it all the way around from the top to the bottom, from the bottom to the top, just like this. And we're gonna come through with some nice, clean kitchen scissors, slice through just like this. It's gonna go like nothing. Now we're gonna spread these colors out so we can go ahead and see all the beautiful colors just like this. Go ahead and turn them, flip them up just a little bit. And just a quick little tip to make the horn. How did I do that? I had a little ice cream cone that I wrapped in foil, and that way it is nicely perfect. And then we wrapped our dough around it with a little bit of egg wash to make that perfect. Send that in with this to the oven. We're gonna work on its ear, poke a little hole in it, and here comes the rest. So we're gonna go ahead and get these two parts together. By pressing down, the seams are gonna be gone, and now we're gonna work on the reins, finish it off just like this. Look at that, guys. Parents, you can of course help your kids with the last part, which is placing it in the oven. Be safe, have fun, and watch your kids have fun while making this recipe. Now we're gonna go ahead and grab this here, make a little Chefclub magic, and just like that, it's on the Chefclub mat. Another little point right here. Egg separator, guys, even a 2-year-old can use it. I'm telling you, because I have one that uses it all the time. We're gonna mix it with a little bit of water, the egg yolk that is, so it gives us a beautiful golden color, nice and crispy, and off to the oven it goes. Here we go, back out the oven. Look at these colors from top to bottom, guys, and we're gonna finish off with the eye just like this.